Pour this solution in and your toilet will sparkle. Hello everyone! In this video I'll show you a simple solution that effectively removes lime scale from the inside of your toilet, removes rust stains and restores shine, all without expensive store-bought chemicals. I'll tell you how to prepare the mixture and how to use it correctly to clean your toilet. Pour some warm water into a cup, hot but not boiling. Add 2 tablespoons of citric acid, and stir thoroughly until completely dissolved. Next, take a measuring cup and some liquid laundry soap. Measure out 100 milliliters of soap, and while stirring, pour in the citric acid solution in a thin stream. Let the mixture cool slightly, the water should be just warm, and only then add hydrogen peroxide, about 2 tablespoons. Important, do not add hydrogen peroxide to hot liquid. It quickly breaks down and loses its effectiveness. Stir well again, and the solution is ready. For easier application, pour the mixture into a bottle with a dispenser. This will allow the solution to flow under the rim and distribute evenly along the walls. First, flush the toilet so that the walls are wet. Then apply the product to the entire interior surface, paying special attention to the area under the rim. If the stain is light and you clean the toilet regularly, just leave the cleaner on for 5 minutes and then clean it with a toilet brush. This method allows you to completely avoid harsh household chemicals and avoid poisoning yourself, your loved ones, or the environment. For heavy deposits under the rim, soak paper towels in the solution and apply them directly to the problem areas. This will help the product stay on the surface longer and work more effectively. Citric acid is the main active ingredient responsible for dissolving lime scale, mineral deposits, and rust stains. Therefore, if you have hard water or water containing iron, this product will help. Laundry soap dissolves greasy stains and prevents the product from draining quickly. Hydrogen peroxide lightens stains, refreshes the surface, and neutralizes unpleasant odors by combating organic matter. After application, leave the composition for about 30 minutes. Then I remove the towels and immediately wipe the area under the rim and the inside of the toilet bowl with them. Take a toilet brush and thoroughly clean the entire surface, especially under the rim and in areas where lime scale accumulates. If you feel roughness where the water flows when flushing, repeat the process again. For stubborn stains underwater, it is better to use a different method. A link to a detailed video will be in the tooltip at the top right. After cleaning, flush the toilet. Rinse off any remaining cleaner. and wipe the top with toilet paper or a rag. Look at the result. The surface is now snow white and smooth, free of yellow stains and calcium deposits. The toilet looks much fresher and cleaner. If you want to reduce your use of chemicals at home, try this toilet cleaning method and share your natural cleaning tips in the comments. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.